Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Install Zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Fire Stick in 2025. Fast and easy. IPTV Smarters Pro is a great app to stream live TV, movies, and more. But since it's not available on the Amazon App Store, I'll walk you through the side loading process step by step. So grab your Fire Stick remote and let's get started. First, we need to allow apps from unknown sources. Here's how. Go to Settings on your Fire Stick. Scroll to My Fire TV and select it. Click on Developer Options. Select Apps from Unknown Sources and turn it on. If you see a warning message, select Turn On to proceed. Awesome. Now let's move on to the next step. Now we need the Downloader app to install IPTV Smarters Pro. Follow these steps. Go to the Fire Stick home screen. Click the Find button and select Search. Type Downloader and select the app when it appears. Click Download or Get and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open Downloader. Great job. Now, let's download the IPTV Smarters Pro APK. Now, we will use Downloader to install IPTV Smarters Pro. Open the Downloader app. In the URL bar, type the official IPTV Smarters Pro APK download link, https tinyurl.com up 6DRX and 5. Click Go and wait for the APK to download. Once downloaded, select Install. Click Done and delete the APK file to save space. Boom! You've successfully installed IPTV Smarters Pro on your Fire Stick. Now let's open the app and set it up. Go to your apps and channels and find IPTV Smarters Pro. Open the app and accept the terms and conditions. Select Login with Extreme Codes API or M3U playlist. Enter your username, password, and URL provided by your IPTV service. Click Login and wait for the channels to load. And just like that, you're all set to enjoy your IPTV service on Fire Stick. And that's how you install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Fire Stick in 2025. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Fire Stick tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Also, make sure to check out my other videos for more Fire Stick hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy streaming!